Well, I guess some boys adored me, but the one I loved ignored me and caused me in the end to murder my best friend. And though I got her letter, it never did get better. And I got out of my head, then I joined a band instead. Come on, girl, it's alright. Come on, girl, it's alright now. Come on, girl, it's gonna be alright now. Some good times I remember, my birthday that September. We lay down on the lawn and counted until dawn. The stars that we lay under, and is he still, I wonder, the fairest of them all? Mirror, mirror ball, mirror ball. Come on, girl, it's too late. Come on, girl, it's too late now. Come on, girl, let it all go. Come on, girl, it's too late now. Come on, girl, it's gonna be alright. Come on, girl, it's never gonna be alright. It's too late now. Let it all go. 'Cause it's never